Hey guys, welcome to MS Online Academy. It's been a long time. I couldn't able to record the video, but now I'll be try to be record the video every week and update the weekly market update. Okay, let's begin with the top-down approach of a stock market. Here, you people know the Ultimate Trader. It's a 6-month course. Alongside, we have two additional courses. One is Momentum Option Trader and Downtrend Secret Trader. If you are watching first time in YouTube, you can be reach out for the more information about the trading courses. Okay, let's if you are a TUT, the Ultimate Trader course trainee, then you, as a stage one, we used to be go through all the pillars of stock market. Okay, price, pattern, volume, momentum, and volatility, right? Okay, and after that, this is the stage two where we are selecting a good stock from top down approach. Okay, you know that top down approach is mean we are analyzing the world market, Indian market, and sector, and from the top sector we are choosing the sectorial stock. Okay, this is the approach we are following, and we are finding the very good stocks. Okay, let's begin with the stats, world market stats. You can see here for US market, all the above 60 in daily it is taking a 40 SPX. Okay, and in the Indian market also, and you can review these. If you are an old student, you know this process, but for the newly joined people, this will be a very helpful how to read the stats. Okay, and how to prepare. If you don't know, you can watch the stage 2 videos and you can connect with me for any doubts. Okay, for Indian market, you can see here. Okay, Nifty, it might be take a 40 support in coming week. Okay, but Bank Nifty, it is very strong. So Bank Nifty, if it is a very strong, then overall market used to be strong. Okay, but within that, our process is to find out the best sector also. Okay, let's go to charts and review the each chart and find out the things. Okay, Dow Jones, you can see here it is taking a support at RSI 50 also, because RSI 50 also important. How sometime what will happen, the stock will be reject from the stock or anything reject from the 60, but it won't go to 40. Okay, in that time it used to be take up 40 also. We can call this as a 50 DWM. Okay, weekly and market always it has to be above 60. In 50 DWM is nothing but in daily it is taking 50 support. Simple. Okay, DWM means it is taking at 40 support. Advanced DWM is 60. Okay, just we have to fine tune the strategies, because if it is a 450 nearby and we are not taking trade, it's not like that. Okay, so whenever we have a very strong pattern at 15 year also, we supposed to take that one. I hope you got this additional point nugget first time. Okay, I'll try to record a separate strategy video for that 50 DWM strategy. Okay, let's and if you are a the Ultimate Trader TUT student, if you want this particular PPT and the Excel sheet, you can just let me know, so can I'll share these things and you can use this same format for the upcoming week. Okay, US Dow Jones, it's a good. Nasdaq, it is good. Okay, above 16 weekly and monthly, and S&P, it is good. Okay, there is no issue with the a chart. Actually, it might be take a support here and there is a very strong candle also. Okay, and DAX, it is something sideway, because weekly it is below 60. Okay, there is a CIP support here. Let's see that how it could be react from Monday. And Nikki, okay, it is rejecting. It's a range shift actually. Okay, let's see that how it could be take a reaction from Monday, but there is a CIP and there is a support of the middle band, but overall it is looks good. Kospi, okay, it's a engulf candle in the weekly, it is not good. Okay, but there is a support in 60. Let's see that. Gift Nifty, it is important here, because the Gift Nifty or a Singapore Nifty and the Indian Nifty usually go in the hand to hand. So here you can see there was a 3 week back, there was a spinning top. Okay, and after that it took almost 26,000 to 26,500. That means 500 points rally, and here in daily it was a double top. From there it came down. to the 400 500 range, 25 500, there is a 600. That's why in the higher time frame what was the action is happening, that is very important to be read. Okay, and for a commodity traders, okay, this is the update. Like crude oil, it is in a sideway. Natural gas, it is a bullish. Okay, it is super bullish actually. If in next week if it is crossed this particular 3 or a 400 round number, then there could be a chance to be go for the upper side, but it is completely bullish. Just plan your trade accordingly. Gold, gold, it is in the consolidation mode now, because there was a bullish best momentum from 1 lakh to 1,50,000 and around 73,000 75,000 to 1 lakh 40 or 30,000. Okay, so that means it's need a retracement or a consolidation. So that is what currently it is making a small dojis and sideway market. But the people who want to buy in a coming days, then just my view is that it has to consolidate here and take a moving support, middle band, or a 20 moving average support here, some around 1,10,000 1,20,000, whatever it may be. But whenever it is making a green candle near middle band, then those are the area, just like this, those are the area of a investment. So now we have to wait and watch. Similarly for the silver also same view. Okay, and for nifty same thing, like gift nifty, it was a angle, sorry, a spinning top. Okay, after that there was a fall, sharp fall, 4-5 candles. Now it is taking a support at 50 RSI. Okay, let's see how it is going to be react for the next week. Just here it is a wait and watch. There is no aggressive trading in the nifty. Bank nifty, yes, it is a bullish candle, and here just we need to wait one more candle to be close above the 60, or else if it is crossing all-time high, then that will be a a bullish signal for the buyers. Sensex, similar to the nifty finance. Okay, it is a bullish one. This is one of the other sector where it is we can track alongside PSU banks are the one which are doing great actually. Okay, so we have to track financial sector stocks. Okay, this is a sectorial performance. One, we got that financial sector is good because in weekly and monthly it is above 60 and it is taking a 50 support in the daily. Okay, and apart from that, if you watch here, the PSU sector is the one which is in all the time frame it is above 60. Okay, so we have to concentrate. Our top sector first is PSU bank and finance. Second, metal, because in above metal and auto are the sectors where those are trading above 16 weekly. Okay, so I think auto is the one which is taking a 40 or a 50 support. Let's see that how it is perform in the coming week. But for me currently there are three sectors, there are four actually. One is finance, another one is PSU bank, another one is auto and metal. Okay, energy sector sideway, ignore. Infra, it might be take a support at 16 weekly. Okay, if it is taking here, then we have to track the infrastructure stocks also, but there is a resistance, hard all-time resistance, so we have to wait and watch. These are stocks from infra. PSC, it is rejecting from the trend line, just wait. Auto sector, as I said that it is taking a support from the 40, like here. Okay, and there could be a chance to break down here and we can trade based on the stock choosing. Okay, but there is a resistance, don't go aggressively. Pharma, similar to infra, I think so. So just wait for the breakout, proper breakout above 60. If it is weekly trading in coming week, then we can try this one. Okay, and nifty PSU, as I said that it's from almost 2 months it is in the upper trend only. This is the opportunity, this is the opportunity, this is the opportunity. Okay, so now it is in an uptrend, strong uptrend. So whenever we get the opportunity in PSU banks, we have to utilize that one. Okay, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank. Okay, those are the strong stocks where we can track and utilize the opportunity. Reality, sideway. Metal, metal is crossed resistance, and now it is taking a CIP kind of thing. So we have to track the top stocks of the metal sector. So we have a metal sector, auto sector, and PSU bank and finance. Okay, Nifty IT sideway, or you can try for the selling stock purpose, because it could go further down till this support. Okay, because in monthly also below 60, weekly also below 60, there are opportunities like this. We have to utilize this one. Okay, Nifty FMCG, yes, this is a sideway. Nifty media bearish. Okay, so IT and media are the sectors where we can watch for the selling purpose, and PSU, metal, auto, finance, these are the top sectors for the trading purpose, buying purpose. Okay, so now this is a consumer durable sideway. Okay, there are some stocks which we are tracking, but what I suggest you, okay, just watch carefully how to track the stocks. Okay, what I usually do, what my team usually do, they'll just uh, what I know my trainees or team will do, they'll go to, okay, currently we got the sectors, okay, which are sector PSU and finance, metal, auto. These are the four sectors where we are tracking. Okay, what we'll do, we'll go to sectors. Here you can find the Nifty financial. This is the first sector, right? You can go through each one by one stock. What are the patterns we are getting? Okay, within that we can make a list of strong stocks which you can track. For example, Nifty finance, it's in all the time frame it is above 60. Okay, sorry, it should be weekly and monthly. Okay, yeah, now you can see here in above 16 monthly and weekly. Okay, right, and daily it is making a W pattern. If it is break this 16, then it is a very good opportunity for us to be go for the long, right? Just wait here to make some range shift or some positive patterns, then thereafter we can go for the long side. Okay, similarly we have to go for all the stocks from the finance, and after that we have to go for the PSU banks, right? There are top stocks which you have been reviewed. Bank Nifty, sorry, Bank of Baroda. But Bank of Baroda, what happened? Now it is not in the immediately we can't able to enter, because whenever it is coming near to 60, this is the opportunity where we supposed to be enter. If you add this stock at 270, then already it is in a positive or in a good opportunity. You can see here how many opportunity we got. One is advanced TWM. After that, here now it is already moved out from the our buying range. Now we have to wait if it is coming back and giving the opportunity. In that time we can try this one. Similarly, for the Bank of India, Bank India and Maharashtra Bank and Canara Bank, we have to track these all stocks for the opportunity. Few days back it gave a good opportunity over here, right? If you bought here, then the already 10 to 12 rupee in the money, right? So when you come to know that the sector, which sector we supposed to be, then we have to do this every week and track the stocks. Okay, so once we done this PSU bank, we have to go for the auto sectors. Okay, in auto sector we have one stock which I am tracking is TVS Motor, because it is at the DWM, low risk trade, right? Okay, here it is the above 60 PRD in weekly, at a best candle at 40. Okay, this is the best opportunity. You can go and buy tomorrow itself. Okay, the opportunity or the the risk to reward, you can 1:2, you can take this one at least till swing high, or till 60 you can track. Okay, if it is breakout from the all-time high, okay, then there could be a good chance to move towards 4,000 or 3,500 and 4,000 here, 3,800 4,000 range. Similarly, you can just review and make your basket of stock, and after that you can go for the metal also. Okay, in metal sector, which are the stocks were making good momentum? Okay, and Tata Steel is the one who just need to be wait. Jindal Steel, we need to wait to break this particular range. GSW, this is the one which is good. It might be taking a 50 support like this. Okay, Vedanta is one of the good metal stock because it is again breaking out from the cup pattern. Okay, this is the cup pattern, it is breaking out or taking support from here. Okay, so Vedanta is the top stock from the metal sector. Okay, we can track this one and you can check other stocks also, but this is a process where I am just guiding you to be follow. Okay, but when you got the stocks in your basket, we have to track that, and we have to track and get into the trade when the opportunities are knocks. Okay, when look at this, it took a support, next immediately a gap up and it went well. Okay, so just we have to be track properly and take a trade when opportunity, we are seeing the opportunity on the chart, we must need to be execute. We'll get a confidence only we know those stocks are cup pattern stocks are good sectorial stocks, then only we can take action. Okay, I hope you got this point, and just I want you to be go through the all the stocks of a metal, auto and PSU and finance stocks and make a list of stock and filter out based on the volume and the pattern and all the price, pattern, value, momentum and volatility. Based on that, the stage 1 study, you can just filter out the strong stocks and just wait for the opportunity. Okay, just go back to our trading list. The top stocks which you have tracking from few months. Okay, you know that LTF. Okay, it gave a 10% more in the last Friday. So we know when the opportunity kind that kind of a moment will appear in the market, but we have to ready with our basket of stocks, right? And AB Capital, it's a cup pattern breakout. Okay, one is LTF cup pattern and Loro slab. Okay, and this is the another stock, Mahamai Steel. Okay, from the steel sector is good, and stock also cup pattern breakout, so we can invest in the cash also for this. Okay, and here these two, AB Capital and LTF, are the from the finance sector, so definitely financial sectors are doing good, then we can go for. Laurus Lab is from the pharma sector is not doing that good, but it is a cup pattern and just invest as per the rules. Okay, I hope you know that cup pattern rules. Apart from that, WCS stocks, Canara Bank, you can just invest, and every week you just review. I hope you aware that WCS rules and how we have to make the pyramid and all. And the one is MCX. Okay, Paytm, it's a good actually good cup pattern from almost 1000. We are tracking from 1000 and now it is 1300 plus. Muthoot Finance, Ashok Leyland, it is also small cup breakout or higher high, it is making very good. MFSL. Okay, these are the few stocks which just kept for the example, but the how we are tracking or finding the stocks, I hope you are aware that one. Okay, and DWM, advanced DWM, LTF, it's already moved out. Okay, we can't trade that one. If you enter when it is came near to the 60, or else if you enter at 280 above when it is breakout from this particular doji, then that could be a good entry on the Friday. Okay, BSC, this is also similar thing, when it is breakout from the resistance, now we have to wait actually. If you have traded this one, that's a good thing. AB Capital, similar, when it is coming down, see, just understand when the red candles are forming in the bullish stock, those are the opportunity we have to be ready. This is not when there is a a red candle here, we should be ready with the opportunity. Then only we can make some good money. Here you can see on this particular chart, if you see, let me go back to AB Capital. Okay, already we know that above 60 in the weekly and monthly. In daily, you can, if you see here, there was a PRD 3 candle, forget about the Friday candle, but if you see, this is the strong opportunity to be go ahead. This is a PRD, you know that one. Okay, and here pattern breakout, right? It is a 40 support. it is a 60 support. DWM, this one is a DWM, this one is the advanced DWM, this is the PRD. What else we want? All the strategy or the techniques which we have been discussed in the our training, those are perfect, but just we have to be tracked properly so we can get the opportunity. Okay, I hope you understand these things and everything. So go back and just filter out your stocks, and you can just make a good profit here. Okay, if you are following proper strategies and you are tracking the stocks, then I bet you that you will make a money. Okay, but you have to have the proper patience. You have to have the tracking stocks properly. Okay, so that's why just follow the process, right? Bank of India, we already reviewed that. PSU bank is a good one. Okay, we can enter, just it is just check the risk also. Whenever there is a 3 4 5% move, just we have to check the risk or else wait for the opportunity. Okay, well, look at this was the opportunity where it is when it particularly when it is come near to this particular price, this was the good opportunity, right? AU Bank, this is also breakout from the consolidation, it is breakout. Sriram Finance, this is breakout. But if you are tracking here, then this is the one of the very good opportunity around 660. We would have entered few days back. Okay, and PNB. Okay, this is advanced. Advanced DWM plus PRD. This is very strong. Lotus Lab, advanced DWM, but it is not near to the 60. Just wait now. Hindalco, it's a metal stock, but I think because of the result it came down, but taking a support here, it might be kind of advanced DWM. Okay, 50 DWM can call. Okay, TVS, this one which you can buy tomorrow itself. RBL, this is a bullish stock. Okay, cup breakout clearly, right? So these are the stocks which we are tracking. Alongside, we are making some other stocks like NCX, LTF. Okay, those also we need to be tracked properly. Okay, I hope you understand this particular process. Watch the video again. If you are a first time watching in YouTube, just subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thank you guys.